This is how real men make coffee. Here we go. Kind of hard to film with one hand, filming in one hand, doing the job here, but let me show you. Not bad, huh? Black coffee is nice, but sometimes spice it up a little bit. Get the heavy cream nice and frothy. And wait for the coffee to come out. Ooh, look at that nice coffee coming out. Wow. Coffee is ready. All right. Coffee to the rescue. Kind of hard to do this with one hand, but here we go. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, yeah. There it is. Get this out. Ooh. There it is. Yumminess in a cup. Papa Bear is gonna have a nice coffee.